In every young heart lies a dream to represent their country on the world stage. In the schoolyards, amidst the cheers, the passion for cricket ignites, driving them towards their destiny. With every swing of the bat and every precise delivery, they pave their path to glory. For these young warriors, cricket is not just a game. It's a journey of determination, perseverance, and relentless pursuit of excellence. And as they stand tall, they carry the hopes and dreams of millions. This is their moment, their chance to shine, to conquer, and a stepping stone to bring home the ultimate prize. And this is Prime Bank School Cricket, where dreams are realized and destinies are written.